The Learning with Experts platform is wonderful. It's a great way to learn because you are in a virtual classroom.
For the first time, I'm teaching classrooms of people all around the world and in contact with them.
This is a delightfully informal process. We can get on the Learning with Experts website, we can share our ideas and passions.
I know this is a brilliant global platform and it's able to reach people literally all over the world. That's just incredibly exciting for us.
I've been given unique access to the No7 Beauty Company's science team.
My role is as Head of Science Research for the No7 Beauty Company. I spend time working with my team and research partners to kind of get skin to reveal its secrets to us.
The things we've been doing this year is a pilot, a new digital platform that helps people manage their own health and well-being.
People are seeing population ageing like a great tidal wave of need coming at us, but actually we need to completely rethink.
You're going to hear from John Simpson, the BBC's World Affairs editor, on his approach to keeping fit and positive beyond 60.
I started writing the book when I founded a school, and I found teachers who, even though their students lived in communities of poverty, they still achieved incredible results.
What this course really provides is the tools to make existing teachers even more effective.